Hi, today I would like to show you the new autoresponder sharing feature in GetResponse. It was made especially for affiliate marketers who can now share sequences effortlessly with their audience. Now you can help your partners succeed even faster. So let's begin. From the main GetResponse page, on which I am right now, you simply go to Tools, Automate, and Autoresponders. As you can see, here I have two autoresponder messages. It is for a mock newsletter campaign, one message sent after signing up, one a week after signing up. By going to the drop-down menu here, on those three dots, you can see share at the bottom of the screen. That's the first way to share your autoresponder. This, however, will only share individual message. If you want to share them in bulk, you simply select them, all the messages that you want to share, and an Actions drop-down menu will appear. When you click on it, you will have an option to share, name your shared set, welcome and weekly, and copy the content link. From here, you can also manage your shared content by going to Manage Content Sharing, and you have your shared sets here. You have the link, you have the option to turn it off and on, as well as copy the link, open shared content page, or delete the set entirely. This is an opportunity to stand out from the rest, as you will be able to offer new affiliates a pre-made, made for them autoresponder cycle, which will allow them to earn their commissions faster instead of going through the long trial and error period. You can also offer done for them sequences as a bonus to your courses and coaching, and you can educate better instead of talking about how to make a perfect autoresponder cycle. You can just show them a perfect one. So how would it look from the perspective of your affiliates? As you can remember, we have copied the link to our set, so let's just paste it. Content sharing page will appear where the shared messages will be shown, as well as who has shared it with us. We can go to proceed to import settings, and as you can see, we can choose which list to link our messages to, the from email address, the reply to email address, as well as the individual messages that we want to import. Let's click import. As you can see, after a moment, our messages have been imported into a different account. So now you know how to share your autoresponder cycle with your audience. See you in the next video.